Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download and install Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office for free on your laptop. So let's get started. First, open your browser on your laptop. You can use any browser, but using Microsoft Edge makes things a bit easier. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type Microsoft Store and open the official Microsoft Store website. After the page loads, look for the search icon at the top right corner. Click on it and type Office or Microsoft Office and press Enter to search. Now you'll see different results on your screen. Make sure to switch to the Apps section or click on Show All so you can see all available options. Here you'll notice that most versions are paid, but there is a free option available. Open the free version. Once you click on it, you'll see an option that says Get or Get in Store app. Click on that button. Now it will start loading. If you are doing this for the first time, it may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. You can simply log in using your Gmail or any Microsoft account. After signing in, the installation or access process will complete. Once everything is ready, you'll see an option to open it. Click on Open, and now you'll have access to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Keep in mind that this is the web version of Microsoft Office, which means it works online. But don't worry, you can still create documents, save them, download them to your laptop, and even share them with others easily. After opening Word, you'll see options like Blank Document, Templates, and Sample Files. You can start with a blank document and begin your work right away. This method is very simple and useful, especially if you don't want to pay for the full version. You can still do most of your work without any issues using this free version. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.